Welcome back to Moroccan Food 101, where we dive into the details of the Moroccan kitchen. Today, we're talking about one of the most famous pieces of cookware, the tagine. Now, tagine, it refers both to the dish of beautifully slow-cooked meats and vegetables, as well as the cooking vessel itself. I have this beautiful new tagine from 𝐔𝐬𝐞, and I'm going to teach you how to season it before cooking in it for the first time. It's important to note that there are many different types of tagines, glazed, unglazed, as well as tagines that are purely for serving. This particular one, it's the best of all worlds. It's made for cooking and it's beautifully painted for serving. The dyes are plant-based and it's totally lead-free, which is something to watch out for when purchasing a painted tagine. Each tagine is also made by women who are paid an exceptionally fair wage, which I love. Seasoning the tagine, it's easy. Soak in water overnight. The next day, dry thoroughly and generously coat the inside, both the base and the lid, with olive oil, and then place in a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. After 2 hours, turn the oven off and let cool completely. Then you're ready to cook. I'll include some tips for how to cook with it and care for it in the description below. Stay tuned as I'll be making tagine makfoul in this next month. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!